Hey, buddy. Good boy. There's Thor and Tinkerbell. Come here. Good boy. There's Thor. There's Tinkerbell. Good girl. Get your belly rub. Get your belly rub. Yeah. Good puppies. Yeah, here's a puppy. Yeah. Come here. Come here. Come up here. Yeah, good puppy. Good girl, Tinkerbell. There's Thor. Tinkerbell came up. Come here. Go. Come here. Tinkerbell. And Thor. Yes, so these puppies are going to the Bickerstaff family. Very excited for them. They're going to be able to stay together and be with their kids. Very, very excited for these puppies here. They're all doing so well. I want to do a quick video for these guys. Yeah, good boy, Thor. Yeah, Thor's just a little bigger than his sister Tinkerbell. We're actually going to be getting training done with our AKC certified trainer. So we're excited for them to do that and do a 2-week training. Aren't you puppies? Yeah, aren't you puppies? Good puppy. Yeah, good puppies. Come here, Thor. Yeah, good boy. Yeah, good boy. And here's Thor. Good boy. Good boy. Come here, Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell, come here, buddy. Come here, girlie. Come here, girlie. Tinkerbell, come here. Tinkerbell. You're being curious, aren't you? Come here, girl. Come here, girlie. Silly puppy. Yeah, good boy, Thor. Yeah, you're gonna be so loved. Here comes Tinkerbell. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. They're doing so well, nice and healthy. Yeah, good boy. Good girl. Yeah, you're a good girl. So they're gonna learn leash training, basic commands. First thing is definitely their name. So we'll be reaching out to the family to see what they're gonna name them. Right, buddy? Right, Thor? Yeah. Be crate trained and potty trained as best as possible for their age. Come here, Tinkerbell. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel that these videos are posted on, guys. We'd love for you guys to continue to follow us on those as well as our Instagram accounts. See our puppies.